Module 2.5 will discuss sea level change. There are two ways that increasing temperatures are leading to sea level rise. The first is through melting ice sheets and glaciers, which leads to more water in the oceans. And the second is when the oceans absorb heat and expand through a process called thermal expansion. Generally, when water molecules are heated up, they move faster and take up more space. So as the oceans heat up, they take up more space through thermal expansion and the volume of water increases. Both of these are leading to sea level rise. Let's look at how global sea level has changed over time. This picture is showing global sea level change from 1992 to 2022. Focusing on the big squiggly line across the screen, you can see that although every year the sea level fluctuates, the overall trend is increasing. Sea levels have risen by 100 millimeters or 10 centimeters, with approximately 3.4 millimeter increases per year. Sea level change is a hazard specifically for people and cities located on coastlines or small islands. Sea level rise has a number of impacts, including inundation, flooding, saltwater intrusion, storm surge, high water levels, and coastal erosion. How has sea level changed on the coast of Suriname? This graph shows the change in sea level in millimeters from 1993 to 2015 and is from the Dondru Climate Change in Suriname site. Though we need to be careful about drawing conclusions when we have a shorter historical record, generally we can observe sea level change is trending upwards. How will sea level on the coast of Suriname change in the future? This graph is showing the sea level anomaly. So the difference between the reference period, which is 1990 to 2014, and the three future time periods. So yellow is the near future, orange is the medium-term future, and red is the long-term future. And this graph is showing both SSP 2 4.5 and SSP 5 8.5. We can observe that sea level anomaly will increase with the temperature increase and can be expected to surpass 0.25 meters in the long term under the high emissions scenario. One important note is that the projections do not include possible variations of the land surface, including morphology of the coast and the seafloor. So we need to be cautious when interpreting these results.